How to fix Instagram story problem. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have in your mobile phone. So all what you want to do is wait a few seconds, and after that scroll until you find Instagram. When you find Instagram, just click on it like this and then click on the storage. Wait a few seconds, it will start computing the data number inside your Instagram app. And when it get finished, then all what you wanna do is just clear data and clear cache. That's it. Now all what you wanna do is click on data usage, scroll. Now right here, you will find all network access options. Disable all these options and enable them back again. And now restart your phone. If the problem is not solved yet, this means that you have problem in the network, or you should remove Instagram from your phone and re-download it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.